Hello, and welcome to another edition of Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm going to go over how to use our curbside service, a great option for a contact-free way to still get the materials you need from our libraries. You may use our curbside service in two different ways, by phone and online. Both ways require you to know your card number and PIN. If you do not know your number or PIN, please call us to verify your identity and we will get you that information. If you do not have a library card, you may sign up for one through curbside service by scheduling a time so we can verify that your residence is in Muhlenberg County. Please bring a photo ID with you with your current address. If you already know what you need, you may call us to reserve items and schedule a time and location most convenient for you at 270-338-4760, extension 1 for Harbin Memorial in Greenville, and extension 2 for Central City. If you would like to see what we have available, go to our website at mcplib.org and click Catalog and Patron Accounts under the Get Started section. Enter your library card number and PIN and click Sign In. If you know what to look for, you can type it in the text box at the top, or you may use the sections broken down on the side. After you select and book, you can then click Place Hold. Library staff will contact you when the items are available, and you can schedule your pickup appointment at that time. For a tutorial on how to use the online catalog, click the link in the description below. Our current pickup times are from 10 a.m. to 3:45 p.m. Mondays and Wednesdays, and from 10 a.m. to 4:45 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays. No appointments will be scheduled during our lunch hour from 12 to 1 p.m., and these hours are subject to change due to the pandemic. Once you arrive for your pickup, park in either space number 1 or 2 of the library's rear parking lot, and please stay in your vehicle. Call us at 270-338-4760 and dial extension 23 for Harbin Memorial in Greenville and extension 2 for Central City to let us know you have arrived. Please roll down a passenger window where nobody is sitting, or open the trunk so we may place your items in your vehicle contact-free. All returns should be placed in book drops located on the front and rear of both library locations. Library staff will not accept returns directly. Returned items will be quarantined for 1 week. They will not be available for checkouts during this period. All items will also be cleaned thoroughly before they are reshelved or checked out again. I hope you take the opportunity to use our curbside service, and we look forward to seeing you soon. If you have any questions, please call us at 270-338-4760. Thanks for watching.